Have you ever seen something so perfect? It just scratches an itch in your brain? Today, we are diving deep into a world of pure mechanical perfection. Mesmerizing, hypnotic, oddly satisfying. Machines that move with such incredible speed and precision, it almost looks like magic. We're counting down from number 15 to the single most satisfying machine I have ever seen. Trust me, you don't want to miss number 1. Get ready to be amazed by 15 of the most satisfying factory machines ever built. Which one will be your favorite? Let's find out. Kicking off our list at number 15 is the absolute beast that is the high-speed assembly line. Just look at this thing go. It's a relentless river of pure efficiency. Parts are flying in from every direction, getting snapped together with perfect timing. Every piece in the exact right place at the exact right millisecond. Speed, timing, flawless choreography, the clicks, the whirs, the clacks, an industrial symphony. Beautiful, organized chaos resulting in perfect products every single time. Coming in at number 14, we have the automated precision cutter, where engineering meets art. Whether it's a super sharp blade, a high-pressure water jet, or a literal laser beam, these cut with mind-boggling accuracy. No jagged edges, no mistakes, every cut a perfect clean line, down to fractions of a millimeter. Surgical accuracy, every cut identical, every edge pristine. The material falls away, revealing flawless forms, pure precision. At number 13, powerful and strangely beautiful, the robotic welding arm. It lays down a bead with consistency no human could repeat. Strong, clean, perfect every time. Arc after arc, molten beads smooth into seams, controlled heat, hypnotic motion. It's like a painter with a brush of pure electricity. The hypnotic glow and smooth sweep make it mesmerizing. Now for number 12, prepare to be amazed by the CNC milling machine. This is not just a machine, it's a sculptor. We take a solid block and carve it into complex shapes with unbelievable precision. The high-pitched whir as chips peel away, computer-guided perfection. Feather-like chips, and a surface so smooth it looks like a mirror. Raw power meets digital precision, pure satisfaction. Stomping its way into number 11, the hypnotic metal press. Flat sheet in, bam! A 3D part in a single motion. Car doors, cookware, even tiny electronics, formed in an instant. It's a deep, resonant thud you can feel. Thud, shape, release, power and cadence. The press comes down, metal flows, and the finished part ejects, again and again, mesmerizing. Halfway at number 10, the delicate dance of the bottle conveyor and inspector. Thousands glide and clink, pure speed and finesse. Flashes scan every bottle, spotting tiny cracks, bubbles, or blemishes. A puff of air knocks the flawed one off. Surgical precision. A hypnotic flow of pristine glass. Quality control at its most satisfying. Rolling into number 9, the lamination roller press. It fuses layers, foam films to plywood, with perfectly even pressure. Every air bubble squeezed out, leaving a flawless permanent bond. Mirrored rollers, synchronized pressure, silent, steady perfection. A perfectly smooth surface, deeply satisfying. And now, the top 8, each more satisfying than the last. At number 8, we're heading to the bakery to witness the gentle perfection of the dough divider. A huge mass of soft dough is fed in, and it portions with gentle, precise cuts. It doesn't crush, it carefully divides, preserving that airy texture. Dozens of perfectly identical dough balls in seconds, so pleasing to watch. The smooth, gentle motion makes this one of the most calming machines. For number 7, pure, edible satisfaction. The chocolate enrobing line. Cookies, caramels, and more glide under a waterfall of perfectly tempered chocolate. A vibrating grid smooths the coat, then a cooling tunnel sets flawless shells. A shimmering river becomes perfect, glossy treats. Hypnotic. Cracking into number 6, the lightning-fast pick-and-place robot. It picks tiny components and places them with insane speed and accuracy. Thousands of placements per hour, impossible for a human, completely controlled. A blur of motion tuned to perfection. At number 5, the transformative magic of surface finishing. Abrasives and compounds erase imperfections to a mirror-like sheen. Polish, buff, reflect. Watch the shine emerge in slow motion, taking rough to perfectly smooth, deeply satisfying. Just missing the top 3, the laser engraving array. Not slicing, but etching. Pixel-perfect detail on wood, metal, and glass. Tiny zaps build images line by line. Suddenly, a complex logo appears. The soft zap, the faint smoke, it's a full sensory experience. In our top 3, the mesmerizing rhythm of the knitting machine. Hundreds, sometimes thousands of tiny needles in perfect synchronization. Chaotic motion on top. From it, a perfect uniform fabric is born. The rhythmic clicking and growing pattern are incredibly pleasing. Our runner-up, the vibratory sorting bowl. Vibration sends parts up a spiral. Bumps, gaps, and air jets perfect the orientation. Jumbled parts become a perfect line. Simple, brilliant, hypnotic. Order, on loop, immensely satisfying. And here it is, the most satisfying factory machine, the vacuum packaging tunnel. A product in a loose, crinkly bag moves into the tunnel. In an instant, air is sucked out. The plastic hugs every contour. Seals close. The transformation is instantaneous and so clean. Watching it over and over is like a deep, calming breath for your brain. Clean, simple. Without a doubt, the most satisfying machine in the world. Which machine was your favorite? Comment below. And there you have it. 15 of the most incredibly satisfying machines on the planet. Speed, precision, innovation, design, masterpieces of engineering performing flawlessly, millions of times. From assembly lines to lamination rollers, it's amazing what works behind the scenes every day. Which machine was your favorite? Comment below. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe. More insane videos are coming your way. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.